Hey! Have you ever considered the incredible benefits of switching to a plant-based diet? If not, get ready to discover how this lifestyle change can dramatically improve your health and well-being. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into why adopting a plant-based diet is one of the best decisions you can make for your health and the environment. First, let's tackle some common misconceptions. Many people think that a plant-based diet might lack essential nutrients or be difficult to maintain. However, the truth is, with the right approach, you can easily meet all your nutritional needs and enjoy a variety of delicious meals. A plant-based diet is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are vital for your overall health. By focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you can reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Moreover, plant-based eating supports a healthier digestive system and can lead to increased energy levels and better mood. One of the most compelling reasons to go plant-based is its positive impact on the environment. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water usage. By choosing plant-based foods, you're contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Switching to a plant-based diet doesn't mean giving up your favorite flavors or meals. On the contrary, it opens up a world of new culinary experiences. Imagine enjoying vibrant, colorful plates that are not only tasty but also nourishing. The best part? You don't need to compromise on taste or satisfaction. In conclusion, embracing a plant-based lifestyle offers numerous benefits, from enhancing your health to supporting environmental sustainability. It's a step towards a more vibrant, energetic, and conscientious way of living. If you're intrigued by the benefits of a plant-based diet and want to dive deeper, check out the description below for a fantastic book on plant-based recipes. This guide will help you create delicious and nutritious meals that make the transition smooth and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on healthy living. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's inspire each other on this journey to a healthier, more sustainable future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.